hello guys. Today we are going to solve the Netflix question, which is asked in a net alt text certification question. So basically we have to understand data and what the question is being asked. So the question is we have to find out the fourth most common category of movie in from our Netflix streaming platform. So we have a data sets. So we can see this. First look into the data set. So what the data set it is. So data set basically consists of four columns, which is show ID, type, title, and categories. Okay, so in the categories basically, so you can see this the data is in uh, there's a lots of data in one cell. Okay, so that means the multiple values are in one single rows. So what we have to do here first, because we have to make a get a count for these all categories. Okay, so that's why, so first we'll use text to column, so put it all single values in single columns. Okay, so we connect the text to column. Okay, from parse you can take text to columns, and then so what I have done here, so I have taken categories, and in delimiter I have given comma, so I just put in 5. Okay, so here not more than 4 data is there, but still for a safer side I have taken 5, and then I have run it. So what I am getting as a output, so look at here, so as a output, so we are getting all these types, title, categories, and then all the categories into 4 different columns. Okay, so 4 different columns, and then so we divided, separated all the data here. So now, so what we will do, so because we have to find out from the movie type, okay, to get all the categories into one column, and get the count of the fourth most. Okay, so for that, so we'll put all these categories in a single column. So using this transpose tool, so we put all the columns into one column. So we have, so we need the type. Okay, and then here if we'll go below, so we have selected categories, all the categories, so we'll put into one column. So here we have category, all the categories, and the value is there. So okay, so moving further, we don't need this name, we need only type and value. Okay, so but here, so I have given 5 columns, so we have lots of sales which is has a null value, so we'll remove the null values. For that I simply use this filter. So here I've given value equal to is not null. So whatever we have null value, it will be get removed, and then we'll get unique, all the unique data here. Okay, so now we don't need this column, so we need only this and this. So we'll go for select. Okay, and so what we'll do, so we are not taking this one. Okay, and so we are taking only type and value. So so we use summarize for get the count of uh, this categories. Okay, so I have taken the value, and then group by, I have done to, because I have to get the value of it by grouping by, and the value equal to count, so we are doing count of it. Okay, so after counting, so we are getting here all the categories and their count, how many times is in there in the list. Okay, so now we have to get the fourth most, that means we have to sorting the data. So what I'm doing here, so we have taken the count and sorting in a descending order, because we need a fourth most count. That means from the largest, from the top to whoever the fourth most, so we have to take out. So we have, so this one fourth most, you can see the most number is international movies, dramas, comedies, and documentary is the fourth one. Okay, So now, in a single row, you can use select range or sample, whatever you can use that. Okay, there's other tool as well. So from where you can get this particular single row data. So I just use the select range. I given the 4, and then I got this. So this is what we have the answer for the Netflix question.